Hi everyone, I hope you are all having a fantastic day. Today's widget is the ListView widget. A list view in Flutter is a linear list of scrollable items. We can use it to make a list of items scrollable or make a list of repeating items. You can also use the ListView widget as the column widget. First import material.dat package. Put the semicolon and press the enter. Now define the void main method. Put, put the curly bracket. Now define the run app method in the main method. Now define the material app widget and give the title. Type the title and put the single inverted comma. Now type the title. List view. Put the semicolon here. Now type the home widget and type the list view example. Put the round bracket. List view example is our stateful widget. Let's create the stateful widget. Type the stful. Press the enter. Define the name of the stateful widget. List view example. Now remove the container text and type the scaffold. Press the enter. Now I create the app bar widget and give the title. Type the app bar. Again type the app bar. Put the round bracket. Type the title and type the text. Put the round bracket and put the single inverted comma and define the text. Put the semicolon here. I want the title in the center. For that, type center title and give the value true. Now run the project. List view example is the app bar title and list view is the another title. Give the comma here and press the enter. Type the body. Type the container widget. Put the round bracket. Type the child and type the list view. Put the round bracket. Now I give the padding widget. Type the age insert dot all and give the value 20. Press the enter and type the children. Press the enter. and type the circle avatar. Now type the size. For that type the max radius and give the 50. Press the enter and I give the background colors. Select the color. I select the black. Now type the child and type the icon. Put the round bracket. Again type the icons. Give the dot and select the icon. I select the audio track rounded. Give the comma and type the color. Again type the colors dot white and give the size 50. Give the comma here and press the enter. Now type the center. Press the enter and type the child and type the text. Put the round bracket. Put the single inverted comma and type the text music. Give the comma and apply the style. Text style. Put the round bracket and give the font size 50. Give the comma. Give the comma here and again type the text. Put the round bracket. Put the single inverted comma. Now I copy the information of the music. Control C and put it here. Press the Control V. Now it's perfect. Give the comma here and press the enter. Now type the style. Type the text style. Remove the comma and put the round bracket. And type the color. Colors dot black. Give the comma and define the size 35.0. Now run the project. Now you can see the result. Now I remove this debug panel. For that, press the enter and type the debug show checked mode banner and give the value false. Now again run the project. You can see the result. Well, that is for today. See you in the next lecture.